gonna be like, oh
Lord. We're good.
They're gonna be like $600. Where would I put these? What days? Yesterday?
Someone yesterday, someone the day before. Alright, here we go. Let's do this. Today is a day. It is the 27th. We have solved system by elimination. Again. But instead of multiplying one of them, you're going to multiply both.
What are these things?
Yes, sir.
26?
Wait, let me see. Yeah, yes, sir. Your test I told you was before we go on break, right? Okay. So about 2 weeks. For those going on the trip on Monday, just a reminder, you're getting out at 10:45, which is right after third period, so literally third period is going to end, you're going to go straight to the flagpole, which is over by attendance, that area. You'll find me, hopefully. Me and Miss Fred will be there waiting. So you'll just find us and then we'll go to the bus and sort it out.
Where is it? Where's it going?
7:40?
What the? Can I go?
We're not
Sign up for it.
No.
It's not a function. Nor is this selling nothing.
Could be. You just don't let me sign up.
I only invited 13 weeks later.
May 14th, just invite me. Yeah.
Alright. Simple question. How do I solve a system of linear equations by multiplying both equations? Whatever you got in that binder.
What's this?
She got first semester. Chocolate. You know first semester? Take them, put them all together. Like
First semester. Oh, all good.
Yeah.
How would I even know? Oh, which ones are which?
This one's at the top. This is spring, this is fall.
Oh, okay.
This is spring, and that one's fall. Alright.
So, just keep them separated in a binder?
No, take them out.
Okay.
And then off. Alright, multiplying by both. You've done this in 8th grade, yes? Multiply. So hopefully we can get for some of you a good start to second semester. Well, most of you. Some of you guys really have to do homework. Alright, so here we go. Remember, I'm not going to write many words, that's up to you to write the words. I'm going to write the example. So example A is going to say that we have 4x plus 5y equals 35. And negative 3x plus 2y equals negative 9. This is what you were trying to do yesterday, and I have to wait till tomorrow. Alright, so what I want you to do is this. I want you to decide which variable you want to get rid of. You want to get rid of the x's or you want to get rid of the y. Some people like to get rid of the x's because they're in the front and it's easier to see. Other people like to get rid of whichever have opposite signs. It's totally up to you. I do not care. We just need to decide which one you want to get rid of, the x's or the y. Okay? Okay. Alright, so we want to get rid of the x's. First of all, there's nothing times 4 that's going to give me 3, and nothing times 3 that gives me 4, correct? So they have a least common multiple though. What is least common multiple? Anyone know? Yeah. It means when I multiply this by a certain number and this one by a certain number, we get the same answer. Right? Okay. So what's that least common multiple? 12. So what am I going to multiply 4 by? By 3. So 4 times 3 is 12, right? And what are you going to multiply negative 3 by? 4. Now, do I need to make one of them negative or am I good? I'm good. Why? There is already a negative. Now, if you don't know what to multiply by, there is a little thing to do. There's a couple ways to do it. How many of you knew to multiply by 3 and 4? If you're stuck, we'll go over it on like the next one. Okay? The next one's a good one. Alright, so go ahead and multiply both of them. You might need a calculator, so go ahead and get one if you need it. And multiply straight across. Don't forget to multiply everything you see on the top by 3 and everything you see on the bottom by 4.
Just remember the elimination real quick. How do you click on where?
Oh. No, that's what I need.
You can do this.
I don't know. I have a small one, but it's gonna break anymore. Okay. Oh yeah, someone's trying it.
Sport?
Yeah, I think it was a club or a custodian. No, you know who it was? Right, I found out my stupid board. Alright, ready? Okay, on the top. Tell me what we get when we multiply straight across. Some of that. Plus 15y equals what? 105. Good. On the bottom, what do we get when we multiply straight across? Negative 12x. Plus 8y. Very good. Now we get to add. Do we have opposite signs now? Which ones are they? This one. We're going to cancel, make a 0. Good. Alright, so then what is 15 plus 8y? 23y? Equals 69. When you divide 69 by 23, what do you get? 3. Very good. Now what am I going to do with that 3? Good. Top or bottom? Sure. So 4x plus 5 times 3 equals 35. Good so far? We get 15 when we multiply, so we get 4x plus 15 equals 35. Now what? Alright, so subtract 15. 4x equals what? 20. Divide x equals what? Very good. So what are you going to tell me? Okay. Alright, I'm going to give you the next one. 9x plus 2y equals 39. 6x plus 13y equals negative. 9x plus 2y equals 39, and 6x plus 13y equals negative 39. What are you multiplying by? 2? 2 and what? 2 and 3? Okay. What did you multiply by? 6 and 9? Okay. Anyone else? Do they both work? Yeah. 9 and 6 is just going to be bigger numbers. 2 and 3 is a little bit smaller to deal with. How did you get 2 and 3? Good. 6 and 9 gives us 18. So what I can do is, in case I don't know, I take 9 and 6, and I can divide. And what goes into both 9 and 6? 3. And what are you left with? 3 and 2. Right? So when you divide, you get 3 and 2. Now, nothing goes into 3 and 2, correct? Now, watch this. If I look here, I know that 3 times 3 times 2 is going to give me 18, correct? But if I look here, I know that 9 needs to get multiplied by 2. And 6 needs to get multiplied by 3. Do you understand? So I can do that for every single problem. All I do is look to see what's left. If nothing else goes in, I take whatever I see opposite. So 6 gets the 3, and 9 gets the 2. Okay? So what? Let's do it on the board really quick. Let's do 4 and 10. What goes into 4 and 10? Huh? No, what goes into 4 and 10? 2. So 4 divided by 2 is what? 2. 10 divided by 2 is what? 5. So what is 4 going to get multiplied by? 5. What is 10 going to get multiplied by? 6. That helps you for when you're stuck on what's multiplied by. 9 and 6 does work, but then it's just a lot bigger numbers, right? So that is a little shortcut. That works too. You good? Alright, so let's multiply by 2 on the top and 3 on the bottom. Does one of them need to be negative? Which, yeah, one has to be negative. Which one? Which one do you want to make negative? Bottom? Okay. So this is a 2, this is a negative 3 then. Okay. On the top, what do you get when you multiply by 2? 18x plus 4y equals 28. Okay. On the bottom? Negative 18x minus 39y equals opposite. What's canceling? 18. What is 4y plus a negative 39y? Negative 35y equals 105. No, it's 105 here. What is 105 divided by negative 35? Negative what? Okay. Now what do I do with negative 3? I'll go back into the top. So 9x plus 2 times negative 3 equals 39. What's 2 times negative 3? Negative 6 equals 39. Now what? Add 6 to both sides. So 9x equals what? 45. Divide by what? 9. And what does x equal? 1. So what are you going to tell me? You're going to do one by yourself. You're going to see if you can figure out what to multiply by. You want to use this little thing on the side, you can. It'll help you. You ready? X minus 7y equals negative 2. Negative 8x plus 11y equals 14.
Grade 6 grade, only reason why is I'm going to work for 6.
Right.
You have to.
What do these?
I'll go back there. Okay?
What, the bridges?
No, we're going to the board.
Oh, okay. The sliding thing?
Yeah.
Right.
Like on the
When you're dividing out on the side to figure out what's multiplied, try to go as small as possible. So if you can divide again, divide again. Okay? guys, when you're dividing out, so you have 12 and 8. I see a lot of you using 12 and 8, which is fine. What goes into 12 and 8? That's small. 2. A lot of you are using 2, which is fine. Then you get 6 and 4. Don't stop there. What goes into 6 and 4? What goes into 6 and 4? 2. So then I get 3 and 2. Then I want to use those numbers. Okay? Get them as small as you can. If you get an answer, check with someone next to you, see if they have the same answer. If you get stuck, check to see where maybe you got stuck at. Alright. I think once you got 3 and 2 to multiply, right? So what are you going to multiply on the top line? By 2. On the bottom? By 3. Good. Do I need to make it a negative 3? No. Very good. Alright, so let's multiply straight across. What do we get on top? Good. Minus equals negative 4. On the bottom. Plus equals 42. Very good. If we cancel, that's 24. So negative 14 plus 33 is what? 19y equals 38. So y equals? Very good. What do you do with 2? Plug it back in for y. So I get 12x minus 7 times 2 equals? Very good. What is 7 times 2? Good. Now what? Add 14 to both sides. So 12x equals, and x equals, very good. So add 1 to 2 as your order here. Very good. Question, can you still have no solution? Yes. What does it mean to be no solution again? 0 equals what? Another number, very good. So 0 is not equal to another number. We make the not equal sign. What is infinitely many? Very good. Does it look like the what sign? Good. It's like infinitely. 0 equals 0. Yes? Remember? Could those still be on your homework? Yes. Even though I didn't do it in class, they could still be on your homework. Okay? What I'm going to do today is I'm going to give you your homework in a minute. Once I give you your homework, I'm actually going to give you the answers.
What?
Because then it's your job to make sure you solve it and get that answer. If you don't get that answer, you know you did something wrong. And then it'll also determine if you're getting fractions. I'm pretty sure they don't have fractions. Okay? It should all be whole numbers or no solution or infinite. Just because you get a fraction doesn't mean that it's no solution. It means you did something wrong. Okay? Probably like misdistributed or something like that. Any questions? Okay. Write your summaries or your questions. I'll get your homework in a second.
Alright.